o karoon ang pagdalihan ng inyong singsing o anas. Ang Ginoo na nakakain. Panalangin o Ginoo ang iyong mga alagad, si Agay o Kapitay, para makapagod sila sa makinagad ng pinakod na mga ikalway ng inyong mga anas.
Thank you so much. Kuyawa at Kuwait. And there you have it, bride and groom. I have a question to you both. Everyone take your seats. Thank you so And God, you have si Mommy mo dancing.
Like amount na nag 200.
So, grabe yung proud.
Dili isibat maid of honor ha.
Kita mo na ganyan, basta sa mga ginapalikabutan sa mga kinabuhi. And then, Ma, thank you so much for accepting Papa, no? For loving him. Kay value him as a brother, no? Not just a friend. And yes, no, moto siya, and hopefully this
Yeah, after ano sa ihatag mo na sa ihapon nimo. Tapos isulti nimo sa host.
And forever
Kinakanan.
love to each other. Okay? Everyone, let's stand. Everyone, let's raise our glasses. Okay?
Magawa ni Jaya, magawa ng gihurot.
Our newlyweds. And 3, 2, 1, let's say cheers. And 3, 2, 1, cheers!
And cheers, everyone. Kapay. Cheers.
Jaya, mangkod ba?
And there you go. Thank you so much, everyone, for participating. Thank you so much, Barney. Alright, bride and groom, upo muna kayo, please.
Sana all si Madam na ipang food box.
This time, magsiserve po ang waiter sa ating VIP tables. It should take no longer than 10 minutes. And after serving, we'll proceed sa ating early dinner natin. Sabay-sabay tayo kumain later on. Konti-konti pa hintay ng pot. Habang serve po ang waiter sa VIP tables natin, sulitin natin oras. We all want to support our newlywed couple through financial, material things, your presence, prayers. Pero hindi na yung kailangan ng ating bride and groom. Everyone, they also need to hear. Let me clear and emphasize this. Kasi as I said a while ago that we'll proceed to our dinner in a few short advices. Mubog lang palihog. Any words you want to share to our newlywed couple?